Going to teach you how to bring back the opacity tool outline or the pen tool outline or the crop tool outline back in Premiere Pro. The version I'm using is 2019. So the problem I was facing was when I used the opacity tool, the outline doesn't come up, so I have to just move it here and there without any lines, so it's very difficult to use it like this. So to bring back the outlines, what you have to do is, if you can see my cursor, you click on these three bars and go to panel group settings and check on stack panel group. See, you can see the lines are back. When I click on the pen tool, you can see the outlines are back, so I don't have to just move my pen around without any idea where it is going. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and if you like the video, do share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.